So whenever you actually go around and then set something right here, for example, if I were to search for a computer, then a website opens and this is saved in the history. But for privacy reasons, sometimes you don't want that to happen. In that case, if you don't want to reveal out the history, or you want to save out some cookies, then you can use something called the Incognito Window, which lets you browse the web privately. So in order to access it, you can go on to the three dot icon right here, and then you can go around into new Incognito Window. The shortcut key for this one is Control-Shift-N. So if I were to click on this, you can see that a black version of the web browser opens up on top of your existing web browser. And what happens is that whatever you actually access through this does not get saved in history. For example, I'm going to type in www.yahoo.com right here. It opens up the Yahoo web page right here, but it does not get saved in history. So if I were to go around over here, type in wikipedia.com right here, and let me just go around and search for an article in Wikipedia saying dogs just like this, dog breeds, let's say, for example. And if I were to press enter, you can see that I can go around and browse this out. Nothing will be saved in the history. So as soon as you close this window, what happens is that every data gets deleted. So if I were to go on to settings, go on to history, you don't see any of those right there. You don't see yahoo.com, you don't see Wikipedia, and so forth. And that is how you can use the incognito window inside of Chrome to browse the web securely, so that no data is saved out onto your computer or in your history, or any of the cookies are saved inside for privacy reasons. But however, for some of the sites, you can see that you can enable and disable the cookies as well. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.